What is G-code and M-code? CNC programming basics for engineers. Ever wondered how a CNC machine knows exactly where to move, when to cut, and when to stop? It's all thanks to its own language, G-code and M-code. G-code is like a GPS, guiding the machine to the right spot, while M-code is like the control panel telling it what actions to perform at certain points. Before we get into the details of each, let's first understand who in the workshop actually works with them. Once the drawings reach the CNC shop, the CNC programmer takes the provided 3D model or 2D drawings and uses CAM software to create the tool paths. They then output G-code and M-code that the machine can understand. In simple terms, the CNC programmer is like a translator, turning design intent into machine-ready instructions. Next, the CNC operator loads or calls up these codes on the machine to carry out the actual machining process. Now, let's dive a little deeper. G-code, short for geometric code. This is the set of instructions that tells the machine exactly where to start, how to move, and when to stop when fabricating a part. Some common G-codes include G00, which stands for rapid positioning. This command quickly moves the tool to the specified coordinates at maximum speed. G01, or linear interpolation, directs the tool to move in a straight line between 2 points at a set feed rate. It's mainly used for straight line cutting. G02, circular interpolation clockwise, guides the tool along a circular path in a clockwise direction to create arcs and circles. G03 does the opposite, circular interpolation counterclockwise. Here's a list of other G-code functions you might encounter. As for M-code, it encompasses a series of auxiliary commands vital for controlling a CNC machine's non-geometric functions. These codes, often referred to as miscellaneous codes, manage essential operations like turn the spindle on or off, start or stop the coolant, change the tool, pause the program. Let's check the common M code. M00 is used to stop the program. M02 is to end the program. M03 activates the spindle, making it rotate clockwise, which is the default for most milling activities. M05 is used to pause the spindle when the operator wishes to change a tool. M08 is used to turn on the coolant system and is critical to the process of machining. It maintains the tool and the workpiece at a desirable temperature to minimize wear and possible damage. M30 is the final code and is used to end the program, rewind it to 0 automatically, and reset the machine so it is ready to run the same program without any additional setups. Important: not every CNC machine comes with the same list of codes. Some have variations. It is always best practice to check your machine's manual before running a program. Now let's summarize the difference between G and M codes. G codes direct the motion and function of the CNC machine, describe positions and movements, such as rapid positioning to a specific XY plane, linear feed movement, and circular interpolation. Related to geometric codes, they serve in product design. Activate the CNC machine. M codes control operations not involving movements, such as stopping programs, changing tools, turning the spindle on or off, and activating coolant systems. Relate to machine functions and serve in various miscellaneous operations. Activate the machine's programmable logic controller. Working on a CNC project? At RapidDirect, our expert team makes custom parts fast and hassle-free. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more CNC tips, and drop a comment telling us which G or M code you use the most.